Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a beef soup recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. And this beef soup recipe is a collaboration with about 18 channels that we have come together to give you a fall soup collaboration. Now I'll be passing the baton after this recipe on to TT's Urban Pantry, which I'll be leaving the description in the box below of her channel. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Guys, here's my beef being stewed down to create this nice broth for this recipe. Now guys, let's get this show started. Okay guys, now that I've peeled my vegetables, I'm just gonna cut them up. Before I add them to the pot. Let me put a little water in this. Already washed them, guys. It's always good to wash your herbs and vegetables when you get them from the grocery store. Sorry about that noise. Oops. As I said, everything is washed. Now guys, as I said before, this is a collaboration brought to you by Best Yet Journey and a group of YouTubers that do gardening, mostly gardening. As I said, I'll leave the description in the box below of the channels. I might not want so much of these vegetables, but I'll just probably cut up what I want. Ooh, this is a big carrot. Guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell me how you love my video. I know a lot of people out there watch the channel but they don't comment, but please comment and let me know how you like the content. As I said, I don't think I'll be using all the vegetables, so I'll just leave some just in case. All I needed was just one corn because I'm gonna cut it up. I thought I had Irish potatoes, which I did not have, so I'll just do without. Now for the pumpkin, just gonna clean these up. And I have my peas, guys, which I didn't put in the earlier part of the video, but I have my red kidney bean that I'll be adding to the recipe. The pumpkin is what gives it that lovely color. Just gonna set this aside. Whoops. guys, here I have my thyme and my scallion, all organically grown in my pot outside. Now guys, when next you see me, I'll be adding these ingredients to the fire. Now guys, as I said, I'm going to add my ingredients to the stove, to the pot should say. So I'm going to add my pumpkins, all diced up. My carrots and sweet potato, my yam, you know me, I'm obsessed with the color of the pot, my colors. And I'm gonna also be adding a few dumplings. For those who like dumplings. I'm not gonna put the corn in as yet because the corn is easily cooked. You know, you want the pumpkin to cook out, so to give that the pot that color. So let's take a look inside the pot. There you go. All those lovely colors. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add some dumplings. If you know dumplings, it's when we Jamaicans we use flour and a little bit of salt and we knead it together and form a dough. So I'm just gonna add it to the pot just for body. You know, some people like their soup with dumplings. Now guys, remember this is a fall soup collab, so please remember to go and check out the other channels that have done their videos already. I know Best Yet Journey has done hers, and a list of other YouTubers. As I said, most of them are gardening channels, which I support a lot of them. So they add me to this collab. Alright guys, it's coming along. I feel I put too much of the scallion, so when next you see me, I'll be adding the noodles and the other ingredients. Alright guys, now I'm going to be adding the noodle. And then I'll add the corns, and then I'm gonna season the pot a little with a touch of black pepper. Whoa guys, look at that. Sorry for the little cut when I was adding the black pepper. It seems my memory was low, so it cut the audio, cut the video should say. Look at that guys, my beef soup in the making. Okay guys, now let's check on it and see where it's at. Whoa, hear that bubbling guys? That means the soup is getting right there. Going to do a taste test to see what is needed at the moment. said, a taste test. About right. Not too much salt, not too much seasoning, which I add those stuff off camera, guys. My black pepper, my seasoning, because I had some issues with space, so I couldn't record all that, so I freed up some space on my phone. So guys, when you check back, it's just for the final little prep. Okay guys, at this time you see the ending result. So what I want you guys to do now is join me at the table. Okay guys, here's the finishing dish, my beef soup recipe. Please remember to like, share and subscribe guys. And now I'll be passing the baton in this collaboration to TT's Urban Pantry. Thank you guys for watching.